triumph of labor. This is an open-air large-scale sculpture in bronze made by Debi Prasad Roy Chowdhury. It was installed at Marina Beach, Chennai on the eve of the Republic Day in 1959.
It shows four men trying to move a rock, rendering the importance and contribution of human labor in nation building. Unconquerable men are wrestling with nature, doggedly, indeterminately, and powerfully. It is an image of labor against the elements of nature, a well known romantic subject of the 19th century. Chaudhary loved to dwell on the strong musculature of his workers, revealing their bones, veins, flesh, etc. He portrayed the extreme physical efforts of loosening a massive, immovable rock. Human figures are installed in a way that creates a curiosity in us as viewers. It attracts the viewers to see it from all sides. The image of group labor is placed on a high pedestal, thereby replacing the notion of portraits of kings or British dignitaries.